thank you to come celebrate with us the Lunar New Year. Gong Si Fa Chai on behalf of Team Buro Malaysia, and we hope you have a very prosperous and what year ahead. Thank you so much.
So a bit about the work. As you can see, there's 8 pieces as you walk in. This year is a water rabbit year. So I thought like it would be nicer if I were to paint it on a wavy base. Yeah.
I just like all the paintings because it brings like different meaning to me. And although it's just in a square form, but it's really unique.
It's so colorful, it's so vibrant, and I hope that's how 2023 is going to look for you as well, with lots of love and prosperity, good health, and lots of money. So happy Chinese New Year!
This year, for the Lunar New Year, I'm most looking forward to spending time with my family. I know it's a cliche, but I think in our culture, every once a year you get together, you eat too much, you laugh, and you spend quality time together.
My favorite thing about Chinese New Year is going back to my popo's house to celebrate. The best thing about it is eating everything that my popo cooks, and also seeing my extended family and knowing nobody's going to bother me because it is the sweet, sweet public holiday days off.
Chinese New Year is all about getting together, so thank you so much for having this event. I wish you all a happy Chinese New Year.
我只想祝你们新年快乐！
新年快乐，一起发财！